Bayshore! Welcome to the third annual Black History Month Assembly. This year's a little different, but that's okay because you are in store for many surprises. This year, the theme is Black to the Future. We want to celebrate the young, motivated, and inspired activists. We want the youth to continue standing on the shoulders of those that came before us and those that are still here with us now. We need you to continue fighting for equality and fighting for justice, because all lives won't matter until Black lives matter. So let's get started. First, we have Philip Ajapong from USF to kick off the third annual Black History Month Assembly. Here we go.
Hi everybody, this is Philip. I am originally from Ghana and I'm here. Welcome to my space, and I see you all Bayshore students. I'm here to perform a particular dance with you from the Ga community in Ghana. Alright, the Ga people, they speak the language Ga, and Ga is spelled G-A, and they are also called the Ga people, right? So this particular dance that we're going to do is called Bang Logo. Now the first thing we're going to do is to cook the dance, all right? You know, when you put stuff on the fire, it takes time to boil. It doesn't boil right away. It takes time. So we're going to warm ourselves into the dance with a particular clap. So everybody's going to go with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And we're going to do the last time. 2. Now our next movement is going to be right, left to right, left to right, left. Now the main dance is stretching the hand, your right hand and your right leg. All right, like you're telling somebody why to the left, to the right, and why to the left. Okay, so we go 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So why to the right, why to the left, why to the right, why to the left. Now our fourth movement is going to be a turn, and we're taking the turn from here. So your right hand is going to come below your pelvic level, and then you're going to turn backwards on your right hand, your right shoulder. So this is my right shoulder. I'm going to turn, boom, all right? So your right shoulder, okay? So we're going to turn, and when we're turning, watch the feet is going to go 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to come here, put our legs out this way, your heel out, and then bring the heel in. Okay, so let's try the movement together. 1 and 2. So now it's like you're telling somebody, why are you bothering me? Okay, so you're going 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. Now we're going to dip down, come up, and do 3 of the whys to one friend on this side, another friend on this side, and the other friend in front of you. All right, so you're going to go and why, and why, and why. Then you dip. Now we're going to add some music, okay? All right. So 5 and 6 and 5, 6, we go. Alright, so that is the dance for you. Bayshore, have fun. Happy Black History Month. My name is Philip, And hopefully I'm going to see you in person someday, sometime very soon. And then we're going to have fun, all right? Ooh, I'm very tired already. Okay, so thank you very much. And see you another time. Love to everybody.
I too sing America. I am the darker brother. They send me to eat in the kitchen when company comes. But I laugh and eat well and grow strong. Tomorrow, I'll be at the table when company comes. Nobody will dare say to me, eat in the kitchen then. Besides, they'll see how beautiful I am and be ashamed. I too am America.
Hey Bayshore family, it's Mrs. Long. You are in for a big treat because next up we have our beloved music teacher and all around just wonderful human being, Mr. Dyson, singing Lift Every Voice and Sing. Enjoy.
My name is Michaela Dyson, Mr. Dyson's daughter, and I'm just here to talk a little bit about the Black Lives Matter movement and what it means, why it was made, all those great things. Black Lives Matter is a social movement that is dedicated to combating racism and anti-Black violence, more specifically police brutality. Its activists seek to transform society so that Black people are treated better. BLM was formed in the United States in 2013 in response to the killing of Trayvon Martin, a Black teenager, by a man who was not held accountable for his actions. The movement was co-founded by 3 Black women, Patrice Kohn-Kohlers, Alicia Garza, and Opal Tometi, who were also community organizers. The name Black Lives Matter affirms that society needs to value the lives and humanity of Black people just as they do white people.
And next we have Janessa Ray Twine to teach us about a young entrepreneur. Take it away, Janessa.
Hi, my name is Janessa, and I'm a 2nd grader, and I'm going to be telling you about Michaela Umar. Michaela Umar is the founder of Me and Bees Lemonade. When she was 4 years old, she got stung by a bee and then got stung again within a week. She became amazed by bees, and she wanted to learn more about them. Michaela entered a children's business competition, and that's when she decided to help honeybees and make her grandma's fly seed lemonade. Michaela started a lemonade stand in front of her home and donated a percentage to help save bees. Now 15, Michaela's lemonade is sold in many different stores, and she wrote her first book, Be Fearless, Dream Like a Kid. Michaela followed her dream at the age 4. What's your dream?
What's up, Bayshore? I hope you all are enjoying this virtual Black History Month assembly. Next up, we have a man who needs absolutely no introduction. He is not only a PE teacher, but he's also a great athlete and an overall just wonderful person. And he just so happens to be a poet as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome and appreciate Bayshore's own Coach Kevin.
This piece is entitled Black Is. In the words of Amari Robinson, Black is beautiful. Generations of brilliance rooted in resistance. Black is love. Skin kissed by the rays of the sun. Black is audacious, striving for justice by any means necessary. Black is courage, finding hope in the midst of hate. We have nothing to lose but our chains. Black is knowledge. No history, no self. Without history, there is no self. No history, no self. If we know our histories, her story, their story, we can begin to know ourselves. Black is beautiful love, audacious courage, and knowledge. Thank you.
What's up, Bayshore? I hope y'all enjoyed the virtual Black History Month assembly, but we're not done. Don't go anywhere yet. You know why? Because we have a very special guest to close us out. These young people come all the way from Detroit, Michigan. They've placed second in America's Got Talent, and they were featured in a national film called America's Musical Journey. And there's some other things coming up that's pretty amazing about them. You know what? I'm going to let their artistic director come and introduce them. I'm so happy to be connected to him. And ladies and gentlemen, please welcome artistic director of the Detroit Youth Choir, Mr. Anthony White.
Hello and greetings, Bayshore School. My name is Anthony White. I am the Artistic Director for the Detroit Youth Choir, right here in our great city of Detroit, Michigan. Our organization is a youth organization based on the performing arts. The ages are 8 to 18. And yes, we do have 8-year-olds singing with our high school students. Yes, we do that. We are strong in choreography and vocals. However, we do have a dance company and a theater company. The song Glory, which is a great song, originally by Common and John Legend, has a lot of strong civil rights vibes with the song. What we did to the song, we just arranged it our way. We were able to arrange the song the way that we want the song to sound, versus the way John Legend and Common portrays the song. So, and what the song means to us is, like right now I have on the We Are One. It basically means coming together in the time of the COVID-19 pandemic. Our organization, we lost 2 parents from our organization to COVID, and we have a strong connection with our community and the COVID-19 pandemic, because that's what we're going through now. So the song means a lot of, it means to us a lot about protesting. Like we had a big protest during the COVID pandemic. We also had a lot of things just going on in our society, political and environmental. So pretty much that's what the song Glory means to us. Now, when you guys see the video, those are members from the Detroit Youth Choir. We have 3 choirs, and we just pulled people from all 3 choirs to create the masterpiece, which is Glory. So I hope you enjoyed the video, Glory, and I hope that we can connect sometime soon. I just want to thank your teachers. I want to thank the staff at your school for even asking me to participate and come on this video for you. All right. Well, we'll keep in touch. Go follow us on Instagram at DYC Official, and also Facebook, Detroit Youth Choir, and our website, DetroitYouthChoir.org. And we'll see each other one day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours, it will be ours.
Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure. Oh, glory, 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 glory. Oh, glory, oh, glory, glory. If you're black and you're proud, hands up. If you wanna make a change, I'm my leader, stand up.
Look, I'm tired of seeing my people on the news, texting my friends, hoping they're okay too.
And yeah, we get that all lives matter, but I get to choose the color of my skin, so how does that matter? Your job is to serve and protect me, so where's the protection? Not only dying from racism and COVID infections.
Can't get snacks like Trayvon, get some sleep like Rihanna. The more they kill us off, we're losing our mothers and fathers.
Listen, when will enough be enough? I shouldn't be afraid that I'm next to go and handcuff.
Look, it's time to team up and stop the cruelty.
My board is up and I see him walking towards me.
Walking, yelling no justice, no peace.
Nearly, until my people reach equality.
One day, when the glory comes, it'll be ours, it'll be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we'll be sure.
Now the war is not over, victory isn't won. We'll fight on to the finish. Then when it's all done, we cry glory, oh glory, oh glory, oh glory. We'll cry glory, oh glory,
Something must be done as soon as possible. And if we come together, we're unstoppable. If you wear white, yellow, green, or blue, this isn't just our fight, nah, it's yours too. More than being enslaved like my ancestors. It's time that we expose the country's transgressions. We're the future, not the past. It's time to steal the present. Unity is what we're wishing for as a present. We doing Zoom calls, protests, rallies, and more. The bigger we are in numbers, yeah, we can even the score. The year is 2020. Let us make that clear. This the last generation they mess with fear. And when we get old, the stories will be on repeat. Fighting for our rights and mass and trying to keep 6 feet. With my hand in yours, look at our justice and peace. Fists up, it's time to come together on our own streets.
One day, when the glory comes, it'll be ours. It'll be ours. One day, when the war is won, we'll be strong. We'll be strong. Glory.
See the war, it is the war.
Fight on, fight on.
We'll cry glory.
Glory,
glory, oh glory.
We'll cry glory.
Oh glory.
Oh glory.
Say glory.
We need to stand together so we can be one.